Hey everyone! Welcome back to Yogi PC Tube. Microsoft is rolling out some exciting new Windows 11 features in 2025, and today, we're taking a first look. Let's dive in. Start menu upgrades. One of the biggest changes is coming to the Start menu. Microsoft is enhancing search functionality and making recommendations smarter. This means quicker access to your apps and files, making your workflow smoother than ever. Phone Companion. Next up, Phone Companion is getting a major boost. Expect better synchronization between your smartphone and Windows 11 PC, with seamless access to notifications, messages, and even apps. If you use your PC and phone together, this update will make life much easier. Battery icon updates. A small but useful change, Windows 11 will now display more detailed battery info directly from the taskbar. You'll get a clearer view of your battery percentage and estimated usage time, which is super handy for laptop users. Taskbar emoji button. Emojis are everywhere, and now Windows 11 is making them even easier to access. A dedicated emoji button on the taskbar will let you quickly insert emojis in chats and documents, because who doesn't love a good emoji? Small taskbar icons. If you prefer a minimalistic look, Windows 11 is bringing back the option for smaller taskbar icons. This means more space and a cleaner desktop experience, perfect for those who like a simple UI. Drag file share tray. File sharing is getting a boost. Now, you can drag and drop files directly into a new share tray, making it faster to send files to contacts and apps. No more multiple steps, just drag, drop, and share. Lock screen widget updates. The lock screen is becoming more useful with widgets. Imagine getting weather updates, calendar reminders, and news headlines, right on your lock screen. This means you'll have important info at a glance, even before logging in. Windows Hello Enhancements. Lastly, Windows Hello is getting faster and more secure. Whether you use facial recognition or fingerprint scanning, these improvements will make logging in quicker and safe. And that's a wrap on the upcoming Windows 11 features in 2025. Which update are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.